Why is sleep so important? That's something I ask myself all the time. Why do we have to sleep? Why do we have to go to bed at nighttime when it's so beautiful outside? All the stars and the moon. But sleep is incredibly important. That's the question of today's video. It all started when we were children, never wanting to go to bed. Seeing or watching our parents stay up longer to watch more TV. So unaware of the importance of sleep. Actually, so unaware of the importance of anything. Although that unawareness never gets better. Once we reach our teenage years, the hormonal changes in our body can cause sleep deprivation and so much stress. These changes can make us feel confused and lost. Nowadays, social media has a huge impact, especially on teenagers. The constant overstimulation, mindless scrolling, and the decrease of your focus has a huge impact on your sleep. But how does this affect your sleep? The main problem is your screen. Exactly, your screen. Your phone, iPad, or computer screens emit light, and that light is called blue light. The blue light alerts your brain and confuses your circadian rhythm. How many times have you found yourself scrolling through Instagram, TikTok, or Snapchat before going to sleep? But not only teenagers are affected. Adults are risking their health for mindless scrolling too, almost every night. The entertainment never stops. I want to go back to something I mentioned before. The circadian rhythm is like a built-in clock. I'm not even kidding, a built-in clock into our bodies. Of course, we need to understand how it works so we can use it to our advantage. One key factor is melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone that your brain produces in the dark. Whenever your body is exposed to darkness, the production of melatonin starts, although it stops whenever you're exposed to light. Now, melatonin helps time your circadian rhythm and your sleep. So whenever you go to sleep and you sleep in a dark room, melatonin production starts. The term circadian comes from Latin, meaning circa is around and diem means day. A group of cells located in the hypothalamus of the brain, called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, receive information about darkness and light from the eyes, which will regulate your sleep and wake cycle. One incredible fact about the circadian rhythm is that researchers have found out that every single animal, plant, human, and even some germs have built-in circadian rhythms. I think that's incredible. But coming back to the question, why is sleep so important? Overall, sleep has a huge impact on our lives, mentally and physically. It has been proved that sleep can also increase your lifespan. You might ask yourself, how long should I sleep? What is the healthiest? Well, that really does depend on your age. I will show you a table that will tell you exactly how long you should sleep according to your age. So here you can see that newborns are supposed to sleep 14 to 17 hours, which is pretty understandable because you can always see babies napping and sleeping almost all the time because newborns are developing all the time, and sleep is the key factor for development. Moving on to infants, 12 to 15 hours. Toddlers, 11 to 14 hours. As you can see, the hours are decreasing because, first of all, the changes in hormones and the process of growing is obviously changing. Preschoolers from the age 3 to 5 years need about 10 to 13 hours. School-age children need 9 to 11 hours. Teenagers are supposed to have 8 to 10 hours, but studies have shown that teenagers do not get that many hours of sleep. which will have a huge impact on them in the future and even now. Adults need about 7 to 9 hours of sleep, and at last, older adults from the age 65 years and older need about 7 to 8 hours. Now, I hope you noticed that the hours of sleep decrease as we age. This happens because our energy levels naturally decline due to changes in metabolism and hormone production. If you follow your circadian rhythm, you can prevent many things. You can prevent chronic diseases, you can prevent heart diseases, heart failures, you can improve your digestion and your overall mood. There are some rules you have to follow though, because life is not that easy. If you want to live a healthy life, there are few rules that you can improve just by sleeping a little bit more. You need to have consistency. Consistency is the key. If you go to sleep at the same hours every single night and wake up approximately at the same hours every morning, you will achieve a very healthy circadian rhythm. There are a few other rules, but this is the most important rule, but I will mention them in the next video. For now, I would just like you to understand how important the circadian rhythm is for your body. Let's take an example. Our body runs on approximately 20,000 genes. A car runs on approximately 20,000 screws. If we take good care of that car, it can take you more than 200,000 miles, but only if we take good care of it. The same thing with our body. If we take good care of it and live a healthy life, including getting enough sleep, we can live a long life. If you're struggling or your sleep schedule is very messed up, and I promise you, you're not alone. A lot of people suffer with this. You can check out my other videos, and I might be able to help you. Please share your opinion in the comment section. Thank you for watching.